Dear Chhatraha, Swagatam, Namaste. Welcome to class 6, chapter 7. The name of the chapter is Karo 2. In this chapter, our main focus will be on learning different types of words, especially with Kriyapad. Kriyapad means action words. So let's get the lights, camera and action started.
प्रिय छात्राः नमस्ते, मैं हूं आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता। नमस्ते संस्कृत यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। हमारे साथ जुड़िए, प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आरंभम कुर्मः।
अगर आपका नाम राम है तो संस्कृत में आपको कहेंगे रामः। अगर आपका नाम अयान है तो आपका नाम संस्कृत में अयानः। आपका नाम विवेक हो तो संस्कृत में आपका नाम विसर्ग लगाने से होगा विवेकः। दैट्स राइट। उसी प्रकार से यहाँ पे सचिन है। यस, सचिन तेंदुलकर ऑफ कोर्स। सचिन उनका संस्कृत में नाम कैसे बोलेंगे? ये तो विसर्ग लगाने से। सचिनः, एषः सचिनः, ये सचिन है। दिस इज सचिन। सचिनः किं करोति? सचिन क्या कर रहे हैं? सचिनः खेलति। खेलति या फिर क्रीडति, दोनों वर्ड का मीनिंग होता है खेलना। What is Sachin doing? He is playing. Sachin is playing. Let us note down this word. Khelati. Khelati. Do it with me with action. Khelati. Next we are having a new friend. Vedant. संस्कृत में उसे क्या बोलेंगे? वेदांतः। एषः वेदांतः। एषः किं करोति? What is he doing? वेदांतः पठति। वेदांतः पठति। वेदांतः पठति। Point to be noted is both Sachinah and Vedantah are boys, are in pullinga, masculine gender. That's why after this name we have added this visarga sound, and the pronoun we use for this is Vedant. This is Sachin. The word this is called Eshah, but only for masculine gender, pullinga. That's right. Now let us make friends with two girls. What are their names? Let's find out. Oh, one of them is Divya. Divya, like my name, is ending in A. Namrata, Divya. So the word for this is Divya will not be Eshah. It will be Esha. Esha Divya. Esha Namrata. Esha Divya. Divya kim karoti? Divya likhati. So this is the word for likhati. Let us revise. Pathati, likhati. Pathati, likhati. We have another friend, Meera, and Meera sings very nice bhajan. So let's see. Meera, oh of course this is not Meera Bai, Meera किसी का भी नाम हो सकता है जो अच्छा गाए। एषा मीरा, मीरा गायति। गायति यानी गाना। Meera is singing. So let us sing, come on. After learning two pullinga words like Vivekah and Sachinah, and after learning two feminine words like Meera and Divya, we have the fifth word in Napusakling gender. And what is that? Yes, Vimanam. Why is it Napusakling word? Just see this. Our first word Viveka and Sachina were also ending in A. Similarly, the word for this Vimana. What is the sound in the na? Yes, it's A. Both are ending in A, but the difference is Viveka and Sachina had the visarga sound at the end. That made the words pullinga, and now Vimana is ending in half ma. That gives it to become a neuter gender. Pulling or striling was very clear. Eshaha, Esha. But for Napusakling word, this word is Etat. Etat Vimanam. Etat Vimanam. But Vimanam, हम जब बैठेंगे तब हमें नजदीक लगेगा, but most of the times is we are just gazing from the window and looking at the sky and looking at the aeroplane. So most of the time it is tat vimanam. That's why in your book it's written tat vimanam. That is an aeroplane. Vah viman hai. Vimanam kim kurute. What will viman do? It is not made to land and sit on the airport. It's made to go from the runway to the sky. Vimanam uddayate. Uddayate is the word for flying. Let us revise all the 5 new action words that we learned in this page. First is khelati. Other is pathati. Likhati. Khelati, pathati, likhati. Next is gayati, uddayate. Let's revise it one by one. Khelati, add one more. Khelati, pathati. Add one more. Khelati, pathati, likhati. Add one more. Khelati, pathati, likhati, gayati. Add one more. Khelati, pathati, likhati, gayati, uddayate. So these were our 5 new action words. Let's go to the next page. Vivekaha, like most of us, is just watching the plane go. So Vivekaha, Eshaha, Vivekaha. This is Vivek. Vivekaha kim karoti. Vivekaha pashyati. Vivekaha pashyati. Vivek is seeing. Kapilaha. This boy's name is Kapil. What is Kapil doing? Kapilaha shipati. Shipati. So Kandukaha and Shipati. Shipati means to throw. Here he is throwing a ball, but I can throw anybody else. This is a ball, but I can throw anyone or anybody out. So be careful and pay attention in the class. Eshaha Kapilaha Kapilaha Shipati. Mayuraha. Eshaha Mayuraha. Not that peacock one. Yes, Mayuraha is word for peacock. बट यहाँ पे इस लड़के का नाम मयूर है. मयूर, मयूरी, लड़का लड़की का नाम दोनों में यूज होता है पिकॉक का वर्ड. बट यहाँ पे ये मयूर क्या कर रहा है? मयूरः किम करोति. मयूरः शृणोति. मयूरः शृणोति. This is the word given in your textbook. According to me, it is highly incorrect to use this shru. I want all of you to make a correction and use this word written in green color. Why so? Let me explain it to you very shortly. When we split this word, this letter is made from half sh with re. So on combination of sh with re, we get shri, and that is correct. But while writing shrunoti is highly incorrect because this word has half sh plus half ra plus u. I agree that shru word is used as the main root. Mool dhatu is of course shru, but when we use in the present tense table, the word should be shrinoti and not shrunoti. So these are the references from Aapte Sanskrit Hindi dictionary that is very authentic to use, and that is another screenshot from the famous Samsadini software tool. So I think now it is clear that half ra is not re. Both of these are different. So please make it a habit to write it this way. For those who don't know how to write this and need a help, here is the way to write the shrub. First do a ribbon-like shape, then a standing line, and then a C shape. This is Shri. It can also be written as half sh with re. So these are the two ways and both are correct to write Shrinoti. I hope that is clear. Now let's go ahead. कौन कहता है कि गर्ल्स बहुत बातें करती है? नहीं तो? Oh, it's true. मैंने तो बॉयज को भी देखा है जो ज्यादा बातें करते हैं. However, here is Nisha. Esha, Nisha. Not night. Nisha also means night, but here it is the name of the girl. Nisha kim karoti. Nisha vadati. Nisha बोल रही है. Nisha is saying. So for talking or saying the word is vadati. The four Kriya Pads in this page are pashyati, shipati, shrinoti, vadati. Again, vadati, shrinoti, shipati, pashyati. Am I clear? I hope the topic is very clear to you, especially what are the words for the action words and where to use eshaha, esha and etat. If you want more detailed video about this, we have all the links attached in the description box below. Do check it out and have some fun. Okay, the first exercise in this chapter 6 says, in A column there are different friends and some objects named like Vimanam, and rest are girls and boys name that we made just now, are new friends, and their actions are given in the B column. We have to try to remember who performed which action. Sachinaha, the first line. Sachinaha kim karoti? Sachinaha khelati. Vedantaha kim karoti? Pathati. Vedantaha pathati is reading. This was playing. This is reading. Vimanam kim karoti? Vimanam. Of course, Vimanam we don't write, we don't sing. Vimanam uddayate. Uddayate, to fly. Next is Nisha. Nisha kim karoti? Nisha vadati is a talkative. She is a talkative girl. Where is vadati? Here it is. Nisha vadati, speaking. Vivekaha kim karoti? Oh, Vivek was just looking at the sky and the aeroplane, right? Vivekaha pashyati, to see. Kapilaha kim karoti? Kapil was throwing a ball. So Shipati, where is Shipati? Kapilaha Shipati, to throw. Meera kim karoti? Meera was singing. So here is Gayatri, same line, sing. Meera Gayatri, to sing. Mayuraha kim karoti? Mayuraha shrinoti. Again, the same line. But again, the mistake is made here. So we are going to correct it, and then the meaning is to listen, and it can be wrote in this manner or this manner. Okay, so here is also correction again. Next is Divya. Divya kim karoti? Divya was writing. So the word for writing is likhati. Where is it? Here. So Divya likhati, to write. So here we have completed our first exercise. Second question is to fill in the blanks. I want all of you to take a timer and complete this in 2 minutes. These questions by yourself. Pause this video. After you complete writing, just cross-check the answer with this. Till then, let me write. Kapila Shipati. Kapil is throwing. Meera Gayati. Meera is singing. Nisha vadati. Nisha is talking. Answer the following questions orally. You tell me. Sachinaha kim karoti? Sachinaha khelati. Correct. Meera kim karoti? Meera gayati. Correct. Divya kim karoti? Divya likhati. Vedantaha kim karoti? Vedantaha pathati. We are not going to solve this question because it is already been covered in question number 1 and 2. Word is given, fill in the action word, and wherever actions are given, fill it with who did that kriya. Vivekaha pashyati. Gayati, Meera Gayati, and so forth. Just don't forget to make a correction to this row again. Next exercise has given a beautiful picture and some keywords at the end. We have to make as many sentences possible. Because we don't know the names, you can say any name of your classmate, boys and girls, right? The main important thing is you say the correct action word. Action word given here are khelati. So you can say Vivekaha khelati. Dhavati, to run. Who is running? This person, again a boy. Dhruvaha dhavati. Pivati, who is drinking? Oh, girl is drinking. Let me name her Lata. Lata, Pivati. Lata is drinking. Shipati, throwing the ball. Shipati, again. Hardikaha, Shipati. Hardik is throwing. Vadati, who is speaking? This boy is speaking. Rohanaha, Vadati. Rohan is speaking. Shrinoti, again there is a mistake. Please correct it. Shrinoti, to listen. A girl is listening. Radha, Shrinoti. Likhati, you can write any name of a girl because the girl is writing here. Balika, Likhati. Next is Pathati. A beautiful game is going on. Till then, this bookworms are reading and writing. Shyamaha, Pathati. Next is Pashyati. This boy standing here is just looking at what is going on. कब मेरा chance आया कोई out होगा मुझे वो chance मिले. So now he is just standing and looking. So let's name it Abhijit. Abhijitah Pashyati, watching. Next is Uddayate. Vimanam Uddayate. Okay, so they have given the example Ronakaha Khelati. Similarly, you can name any of your classmates and complete this exercise. So this was class 6, chapter 7. Dhanyavadaha Punarmilamah. See you in the next episode.
Do some Paropkar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadaha.